What's good? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making rose water today because I've been meaning to do this video. I just haven't done it. But if you guys have been following my videos and if you guys have watched me before or my makeup videos, you guys know that I love MONEYYY rose water. So today we're gonna be making straight rose water. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this video are roses. It's best to have organic roses just so that there's no pesticides in it. Okay, so you're gonna need bottles. I brought these two. Rose water honestly just has so many benefits. I love it. It has antioxidants. It's really good for anti-aging. It's really good for inflammation. It helps soothe acne and also like eczema and stuff. Dermatitis, a lot of benefits. Okay, so natural rose water, I've looked it up and it says like it lasts you for about like 2 weeks, but I've heard people say that it can last in like up to months. I mean, I'm just gonna keep it. I'm not gonna throw it out. I'm just gonna keep it until I'm done using it, but I'm gonna keep it in the fridge just so that it stays fresh as like long as it can. Okay, so that's what you're gonna need. Those are some of the benefits, and also that's how long it's gonna last. So let's go ahead and get into making this rose water because I'm excited. I'm super excited. I got my roses from Trader Joe's. If you grow roses in your backyard, you don't have to buy any roses, which I think is super clutch because you don't have to spend any money literally to make your rose water. So when I have my own place or like my own house, I'm gonna make myself roses so that I can make my rose water all the time fresh. So first step, I'm gonna go ahead and wash them because we're just gonna wash them because I feel like I need to wash them so that they're clean. Okay, so I just rinsed my roses. So I'm just gonna pick off all the petals and just place them onto my plate. Okay, I don't know if it's just me or I've just never seen the inside of a rose, but this is what the inside of a rose looks like if you were ever wondering. I was kind of tripping out, like why are my fingers turning this like purplish color, but it's because of the rose petals. Okay, so I was gonna do all 12, but honestly I feel like this is more than enough petals than I need. So I'm just gonna use 7 roses. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on the stove. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place these rose petals in there. Okay, to be honest, I could have used probably like 3 roses and I would have been fine, but it's okay. I'm actually put more water in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a glass plate or a glass little bowl and kind of put it on top of the roses just so that we are cooking them kind of. You don't want to overcook them because then that kind of just burns the rose water and then it just isn't good. So I'm gonna leave this in here for a little bit. You also want to make sure that you're not putting too much water because it dilutes the rose water. So if you want more of a concentrated rose water, use less water. Okay, so while those roses are cooking, you are gonna want to use a spray bottle or a mister, whatever you want to use. These are personally ones that I already had. You don't need to go out and buy one. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but they are losing their color, which is what we want. I'm actually going to take this out and stir them around a little bit. Okay, so this looks like it's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and lower it. I'm actually going to turn it off. So I'm going to go ahead and strain this. So you want to get a strainer. Okay, so we want to make sure that we're cooling this down as fast as possible. I'm going to go ahead and place this in the fridge just so that we lose as little as this steam that we can, because the steam is straight essential oils that's coming out. So we want to make sure that we are putting this in the fridge or the freezer so that it cools down really quick. To make my life easier, I actually pour this in a mason jar. I'm going to pour it in here. And then, since this has like little, what would you call them, like spouts, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up. Okay, so I have more than 11 ounces because this is 3 ounces and this is 8 ounces. So I just finished making my rose water. It doesn't look like as pink like the MONEYYY rose water, but I think this is fine. It doesn't smell like as rosy-ish as the MONEYYY rose water, but that's because that has like fragrance in it. Alright, so that concludes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy it, and if you guys do try this out, I feel like this is a way that we can help reduce plastic and also just have like more natural products that we can make ourselves. If you have a rose bush at home, I hope you take advantage of that, honestly. Yeah, so I think that's about it. I think I'm done talking in this video. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.